Got some tar balls. Look at that blob. That's the beach tar. Headspace data. All right, here we go. It's a messy job collecting tar balls. I flipped the bag inside out. I'm just gonna pick up. This is kind of like a crunchy piece of tar. We want sticky tar. The worst beach tar. Stuck to my foot. Let's see if we can find some good ones. Oh, here we go. This is a really good one. This is like sticky and goopy. That's a perfect one. So there we go. Tar balls. So these are just tar balls from the offshore oil deposit here in Southern California. All right, we got the beach tar. This is real stinky stuff. So we're gonna go in and just take a glop. Take one nice big glop here. Put them at the bottom of the headspace tube. Headspace tube onto the GC. Look at that blob. That's the beach tar. Headspace data. That is a ton of peaks. I mean, you'd expect that. This is a natural product. It's just tar. It's going to just be pretty much every hydrocarbon, cyclic hydrocarbon you could imagine. So we'll go through some of the distinct peaks. So this one at 505, we pop it up here in NIST. We can see that this is just a long chain hexadecanine thing, and this is just an alkene chain, long alkene chain here, and it is a surfactant and drilling fluid and boring hole in the drilling industry, but really it's just a big long hydrocarbon from tar sand and oil. We have a lot of alkenes and alkanes, and then alcohol, long chain alcohols. This is undecol, so that's, what is that? A decanol with an extra carbon, so that's an 11 carbon alcohol. All right, we're working our way through this big blob here. Again, we got another 2-hexyl decanol, and we got some other weird diol. That's kind of interesting. This one's chlorinated, it says in the regular library, but as soon as we bring it into NIST, I guess it does like it to be chlorinated, but again, that's probably just some form of hexadecanol. The probabilities are, again, very low. All right, as we move out further, we just get more and more carbon. This is a pretty well-defined looking peak, another benzene kind of backbone looking thing here. 7.74 is got that backbone, that cyclohexane backbone, but this nice little tail on it. Search any of these compounds in Google, like nothing comes up other than just, you know, this chemical has been discovered. What's that unique smell? I mean, everyone can smell it. You smell tar stuck to your foot. It's got a unique odor. Those would be the really most volatile of compounds. Let's see if we can figure out what those are. First peak coming off at 4.21 is a cyclohexane. It is just regular cyclohexane with a couple extra methyls, so trimethyl cyclohexane. Methyl cyclohexanes are just, you know, saturated hydrocarbons, liquids. I mean, they just kind of come from petroleum processing, and this is going to be a part of, you know, gasoline. And I think if I get better at tar, I'll be really good at gasoline.